Hello everyone! Hello mga kachika! Ano ba mga nangyayari? Nandiyan na ba kayo? O ayan.
Hello, everybody, to any part of the
Asan na
world.
ba
Good
yung
morning,
fabulous
good
tuba
afternoon, good
natin?
evening. Okay. Philippine
Yan, tama na
pageantry
yan.
to the world. The universe, rather. At sa mga OFW, saludo po kami sa inyo. We consider you a hero. Thank you for supporting your family, yourself, yung mga BFF nyo. Wag na...
Kachika, kaya for this day, for me, it's not a good day actually.
Ay, bakit
Share
ano
ko lang sa
nangyari?
inyo kasi kaninang maga, yung sister ko na nasa Washington
Mm,
tumawag, di
mm.
ba? And then one of our relatives, yung nag-alaga sa akin, passed away na.
Ilan taon na ba
So,
yon? 105?
no, it's about siguro nasa 70s na rin siya. And
Ang
then,
bata naman niya.
78 going
Bata
to
pa yun
79
ngayon.
or 80,
Diyos
mga
ko,
ganun. Yeah,
inaalagaan
I
ko sa
know.
hospital, one
Alam
out
mo naman sa
hero.
US kasi, di ba? Alam mo naman sa US. And then, while I'm talking to my sister, my friend from Calgary is calling me naman.
Mm.
And I know what that means kasi meron kaming friend dyan sa US, sa North Carolina yata or South Carolina. I am not sure. Nung lumipat sila dyan, after few months siguro ng lipat nila, lumipat sila December, November. May nangyaring hindi maganda during the move. Na-stress ang lola mo. And then paglipat niya after 3 months, 4 months, ayun, na-diagnose siya ng ng cancer. Nangyari kasi nawala yung nila, yung U-Haul truck nila nawala.
Kaso na-stress naman siya, so that's a big
Mm.
factor too.
Yun ang cause. Yun ang inaano ko. Kaya everyone who are watching right now, don't let yourself be stressed. And then, so anyway, nakakalungkot lang. Bait-bait pa naman ng batang yun.
Ay, kasi mabait siya. Kaya ikaw, gumawa ka ng bad things, naughty things.
Hello
Kasi
po sa ating 30 viewers.
good people go to heaven fast. Kaya tingnan mo, nandito pa ako.
Oo. Kasi
Hello
ayaw daw ng
everybody,
ating...
magparamdam naman kayo. Sino ba yan? Wala namang humbayad. Mag-hello lang kayo, mag-hello. Yes.
Nakita ko na yung notification. So, on na tayo sa YouTube. So, ayun. Ang
Okay.
pag-uusapan po natin ngayon is yung yung pagtanggap po ni Nawat Itza Grisil na pagiging National Director ng Miss Universe Thailand. And
Mm-mm.
everybody was shocked, including me. And at first, hindi ako makapaniwala. Sabi ko, ay, naku, baka may fake news ito or something like
Mm-mm.
that, right? Kasi nakakatakot, what's going on in the online world, in a website, di ba? Everything is being made by AI or something, and you fall into it, and then all of a sudden you would know it's a rumor and it's a false issue or false narrative lang siya. So, ingat-ingat din, and then after few hours, gabi ko siya nakita, and then the next day, ayun na nga, pumutok na nga ang lahat ng balita, and then
Mm-mm.
ngayon, nakita natin si Nawat at saka si Halu joining hand in hand together, raising their hands on the stage of the press presentation of the candidates of the Miss Universe Thailand. So what are your thoughts, mga kaibigan, sa ating mga viewers po na nandiyan dyan, and then me and Sir Tony Lemon will talk about it. Kung ano po yung mga the good, the bad, and the ugly, di ba? Is it gonna be good for everybody? And what is the shady part of it? So yun ang pag-uusapan natin. And then, yeah. And let's see kung ano yung mga thoughts na kasi, di ba, alam naman natin lahat na kung anong I don't wanna say anong klaseng negosyante si Nawat, pero alam mo naman siya, talagang negosyo, negosyo, 'di ba?
Shrewd.
Nothing's
Shrewd is the word.
personal,
Shrewd is the
right? 'Di
word.
ba? Money is money. Give me the money and I'll give you the job and I will give you whatever. But nakita naman natin sa pamamalakad niya sa MGI itself, talagang kakaiba yung palakad niya. And let's see how it goes. Let's see kung ano yung analysis ni Tony at saka si ako. Ako, I mean. 'Di ba? Ikaw, Tony, mag-intro ka muna. Ano yung reaction mo or yung ano ba 'to, totoo ba 'to or whatever. Go.
Well, I was sleeping again, 5 a.m. Ito talaga mga subscriber ko.
Puro
Because,
5 o'clock.
bakit lagi sila nagsusumbong sa akin when something comes up, at least may magagawa ba ako ng paraan? Wala naman ako magagawa paraan. Nandito ako sa LA, hindi naman ako part ng MU organization. Well, anyway, thank you for the warnings. Sabi ko,
Correct.
sinawat, paano nangyari yun? So, pinabayaan ko muna. Sabi ko, this is unbelievable. Kasi the day before too, bago mag MUPH, ano ba to? MUPH press conference, may naglalabas na naman na nag-back out na naman daw si Atisa. Sabi ko, ay nako, hintayin ko na nga lang si Atisa
Oo,
sa press
nakita ko
con.
din yun. I saw
Sabi ko,
that.
people, my God, grabe kayo. Wala kayong sinasanto. Lahat naglalaro. Pinaglalaroan ng mga events. Gusto mga bida-bida. Well, anyway, so that's what happened. I woke up 5 a.m. and I saw the kind of a clip na nakaganon siya, tapos may Miss Universe sa likod niya. So sabi ko, okay, pwede naman tong ipatong lang naman. I can do that. So let's see. So ayun na nga, at totoo. Tapos when the night came, I mean, on my part, nagkaroon na nga ng lumabas na nga doon sa MUT, sabi nga ni Gaisel, MUT sir ngayon sa Bangkok, it's the press conference. Ay, sabi ko, manunood ako. Tapos doon nga is formally announced na siya na nga ang bagong national director. Yay! In a way, maganda because as I said in my other blog, naghihingalo na ang Miss Universe. Hindi sila marunong magpatakbo. Puro sila talk, they don't do the walk. Hindi sila marunong, inalis nila si Paula Sugar at ayun na nga nangyari. Mexico was a disaster. It became the worst version and that is the first version na gagawin ng dalawang ito. So that was a bad experiment. Everything went falling down. So what happened was they needed to seek help to somebody. So they wanted to bring it to Thailand, which has the best makeup, best direction, best choreography, best stage direction, best
Everything,
best of
actually.
everything regarding pageantry, staging a pageantry. Followed, of course, by Vietnam, followed by Cambodia. Yun yung mga gagandang countries. So, of course, being a Thailander, si Madam, they decided na idalhin dito. And in order to makarecover, they have to be the best. Magpakita sila ng the best na kaya nila. And they seek help from MGI. Of course, I know yung contract ng MGI was, I will help you in exchange to get MUT franchise. Just ko, lo and behold, bigla-bigla, ayan na. Ayan na ang nangyari. Mm-hmm. Hi,
Hi,
Ronsan. Ay,
Ron.
si Ronsan nakahabol. Oo. So, yun, lo and behold na yung nangyari. Now, what I think of it is, presentation-wise, maganda talaga for Miss Universe. Makaka-recover sila kasi alam mo naman si Nawat. He's going to he's going to reach heaven and hell para lang magkaroon ng presentation. Maganda yung kanyang taste. He knows the people, he knows the technology. Siguro sa prelims magagamit yung Miss Grand Theater. Siguro yun ang
Oh my
gagamitin
God.
for the prelims or
Yeah.
for other small activities. Baka yun ang gamitin yung kanyang Grand Theater. Pagkatapos doon, syempre, prepare nila doon sa arena ulit gagawin yung ano. I hope this time makabalik si Catriona. I was thinking yung i-introduce si Catriona tapos lalabas ulit siya sa kanyang red gown na lava gown. Skandalo. Sabi ko sana maisip nila yun, no? If in case she is the host, kasi ang style nila yung host or judge, pinapalakad talaga sa ramp yan. Sponsor ka, palalakarin ka sa ramp. Ganon ang style ng MGI. So which also happened sa launching ng MUT for 2025. So lahat ng mga nilo-launch talaga doon. Yan. Yun lang. So be prepared for a lot of drama between the two owners. One time ata si Ivan was offered to do Miss Universe Indonesia. Pinigilan siya ni Nawat ata na kesyo ganyan, kesyo ganito, pangit yan, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos support mo nila ako sa MGI. Yun. Di nag-support naman ng Ivan sa MGI. Diba? Baka maging Miss Grand Universe yan later pag pinakausapan nila si...
Diyos ko.
Bakit dapat Diyos ko ka? Ito naman ang sa aking part, kinain ko na yung buong segment ng show na to. Ito naman sa aking part, kaya maganda akong guest. Ito naman sa aking part, natutuwa naman ako in terms of production, wala ka talagang masasabi kay Wala ka talaga masasabi
Oo.
kay Mr. Nawat. Talagang outstanding yung last MGI. Na pati kisame may tubig na, digitally na nagpo-flow. Yung,
Totoo. Stage na yun na yung name ng country mo pwedeng mag-flow from the floor up to the back wall and then go up to the ceiling. Diba? Bongga yun.
So, technically, gusto ko naman yung part na yon. Pero actually, ang hindi ko lang talaga gusto, walang charitable work. Smile Train, wala na silang permanent charitable organization. Na yun naman na ikinagusto ko as a queen, you're doing good work. Yun ang nawala na ngayon. So, this is so sad. Ang pagkapanalo ngayon, ipagandahan na lang talaga. Yung turo-turo pageant, ituturo lang nila. Hehelera lang yung mga babae. Oh, yan ang winner. Turo-turo pageant ang mangyayari.
Okay, so meron ka pang idadagdag, Mr. Lemonade?
For now, yung pa. Marami pa atang question. Dami ko nasabi.
Sige. For now, muna ako ng aking thoughts about that. So,
what's
of
the
course,
question?
alam naman natin si Nawat, meron na siyang MGI, and then we know yung capacity niya kung paano siya mag-put up ng show. Nakita na natin yan sa Miss Grand International, and then we really, ako mismo, personally, talagang I love it. I just freaking like it and love it to the hell to the moon. Parang ganun yung feeling ko. Kapag kayo nanonood ako, gusto ko yung way of presentation niya, yung production, yung stage, yung lighting, everything from prelims to finals. Wala kang hindi isusubi na hindi sasabihin mo na hindi maganda. Maganda siya lahat. And then syempre, talking about MUT, is wala na tayong i-expect pa kung maganda man yung kay Kun Poy. Kun Poy ba yun pangalan nung former na nakakapagbigay siya ng magandang show? Same as with Nawat. Yung sinasabi nila si Tess Tomas, di ba? So he would never fail us. And then to add into what Sir Tony is saying na our pageant would be like pinpointing or just turo-turo na like that. Yun lang ang ayaw kong mangyari talaga. Kasi
no more judging.
Maybe, right? So sana lang yung turo-turo na ginagawa niya ng ganyan is magstay yan sa MGI and wag na niyang dalahin sa MUT for the fans' sake. Yun lang po yung aking pinaka, alam mo yun, yung inaano ko na wag naman sana na ganun. So secondly, it's good for the Thai women, and then more interested women will join. Ang drawback lang nito is yung inclusive, pag sinawat na ang naging MUT, baka mawala yan. Doon sa MUT itself. I am not sure, pero syempre, I'm talking about into the future na baka if ever ma-acquire niya ang ownership ng MUO na mas malaki yung broad spectrum niya. And then pag nangyari yan, yung inclusives, mawawala yan for sure. So we're not sure about it.
Paano na si Vina?
Right? Isa pa nga yun ang mga iniisip ng mga tao. Even me, myself. Si Vina may asawa at meron siyang anak, di ba? And awan ko kung ano mangyayari doon, pero nag-press presentation na, and then Vina was there, and I think he likes her and talagang gustong-gusto niya, and who knows kung yun is just sugar coating lang. Alam mo naman, di ba, pagka ganyan, you have to show that you like whatever and you don't have to show any dislikes. So yung third ko is MGI former candidates will have the chance to join MUT. You know naman, the Thai women will show stopper yung mga yan, but hindi yan sila nagpapatalo. Ang drawback lang is, yung sinabi ko nga kanina, si Vina may have a less chance of winning kung sakasakali mga, alam mo yun, alam mo naman si Nawat, meron ngang rules and policy na ganyan within the Miss Universe organization, pero behind or under the table, i-implement na yan. But who knows? I am not sure. This is just speculations and just these are my assumables lang sa akin yan. And then, good and bad for Philippines. Good Kasi it's CJ Swin may be a big help for her career but not sure for MUP. 'Di ba? Yun ang ano ko doon. Maganda yun para kay CJ. And then siguro siyempre, ang feeling ko sana kung si CJ is makapasok at makapenetrate within MUT dahil siyempre, 'di ba? Dahil first runner-up siya ni Nawat sa MGI, and who knows, baka ibigay sa kanya na maging isa siya sa mga in-house o pasarela coach, and then hopefully pag na-penetrate ni CJ yan, is maging bridge siya towards, alam mo yun, yung relationship between MUT and MUP. This can lead to owning MUO, just like what I said kanina, could possibly happen, di ba? So, hindi natin alam kung ano yung talaga yung nangyari, but these are just the things that can happen. As we all know, business-minded silang pareho and can lead to expensive franchise. May possibilities na ma-acquire ni Nawat ang MUO. And then alam niyo naman kapag ka nasa stock options na yan,
siya na may-ari, 51%.
Ay, wala yan. Hindi po kasi ako bihasa sa ganong mga stock. Ang alam ko lang yan, stock holdings lang yan. Yun lang alam ko. Pero I don't know what's going on behind it. Pero alam ko, pwede kang bumili ng 30% of it, 40, 50, or 51, or 55. Pero inyo, 55%, malaking bagay na yun. Ibig sabihin, malaki yung ano mo. Just for example, 55% sa akin, and then 45% lang kay Tony. Walang say si Tony doon. Mas malaki ang ano ko. Ako may-ari, di ba?
Hindi ba considered ang ganda? Wala bang points ang ganda?
Ganon. And then anyway, yun lang po yung aking mga, alam mo yun, yung mga iniisip or ina-analyze na pwedeng mangyari in the future. But anyway, in general, sa akin, as a fan na nanonood ng, alam mo yun, ng show or ng magandang show, ng quality show online, and alam naman natin na yun ang dinideliver ni Nawat, I'm all for that. Yun lang po ang sa akin kasi wala naman akong I don't have any participations behind the camera or within the management of it. Wala akong sinishell out na datung or anda dyan. So, keber, pero ito lang po is as a blogger, as an analyst po ng pageant analyst as of this time. So, yun lang po yung mga naiisip ko. Diyos ko yan, ana-ana na yan, ha? Oo, sa words na yan. But anyway, yun lang po. And then, Eileen, ikaw din. I'm glad Papa Nawat became the National Director of Miss Universe Thailand. We can't control what's the agenda, but it's a business. Yes, totoo yan. Business is business. Pero sana lang sa akin lang is yung business is maging maayos at maganda yung takbo ng pagpapalakad niya at hindi walang issue. Yun lang yung gusto kong mangyari. Your thoughts on MUO's new corporate office sa New York City? Alam mo, parang naliliitan ako dun sa corporate office na yon. Hindi ko alam kung yun kung doon ginawa yung presentation kung saan gaganapin yung host country. As it may look, it looks cramped and looks dark. Madilim siya. And, hello, Christopher Torano. Hello, Sir Andy and Lemon.
Thank you for passing by.
Calgary, we are in -25 po kami ngayon, Christopher, and I know may blizzard dyan sa inyo. O ano daw dyan, kamusta daw dyan sa LA?
Kami putik na putik. Salamat sa ulan. Mga babaeng putik.
Wait, Andy and Tony, Pravina is confirmed. Yes, confirm na Ron Sant, nagrumampa na siya sa press presentation.
Kasama
Hello,
na siya.
Adam! Thank you for dropping by.
Oh my God!
Hi, Adam.
At last, you're here.
Walang anak daw si Vina. Ay, oo nga, hiwalay na. Yun pala yun. Kasi nakita ko yung video, nagsasalita siya ng Thai. Hindi ko siya ganong naintindihan, pero merong mga sinasabi doon na description sa baba na yun nga, nahiwalay na siya. So,
wala pala
I'm
silang
so
anak.
Uy, Adam, thank you sa pagdaan.
Thank you for passing by,
Thank
Sir
you so
Adam. Sir Adam, sandali Sir Adam, tama ka. Dapat
Di ba?
Dapat si Atisa o si ang pinadala. You are right.
And then Adam, di ba, as you all know, di ba, yung nangyari sa'yo, and Pag yan nanalo si Atisa, you know.
Aakyat si Adam sa stage at mag-agaw ng microphone. Sabi lang, I told you so.
Hello,
I
hello
told you
sa ating
so.
hello sa ating 21 viewers. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share pa yung ating live by this time. Oh no, that means Pravina's future is questionable again, or they will let her win after
Well,
this no more inclusivity.
Atisa and her is on the same boat, so we will see.
Yeah, yeah, we will see. Dapat nga
They're in
talaga
the same
sigurong
boat, so we
ipanalo
will
nila
see.
siya.
Mm-mm.
Di ba? And then, wow, as per Adam, hello, Sir Adam, sabi ni Ron Sant, ayan, single na si Pravinar. So, is she considered to be
Oo
inclusive now?
naman, kasi she got married.
Yeah, she got married kasi. At saka ilang taon na ba si Pravinar, si Bina? Nagkahalo-halo na. Silent fanatic viewer, subscriber since day one, both of you. Ay, thank you, Eileen. Shout out from Orange County. Ay, taga Orange County.
Mayaman.
Ang taray.
Rich.
Diba? Thank you so much, Eileen. Enjoy dyan sa Orange County, ha?
Ang sarap
Nandito
ng
po
mga
ako sa White
dyan.
County.
Ang sarap ng
Nandito
mga
ako sa White
restaurants.
County of Canada. Sa Edmonton, Alberta.
Masarap ang restaurants dyan.
Yun ang alam kong sinasabi ng nila na maganda. Si Shortbread, conflict of interest sa pagiging national director ni Nawat for MUT. That will never happen if MUO was still American. Totoo yan. Totoo yan, Shortbread. Yun din ang inaano ko dyan eh. Ang una ko naisip dyan noon is a conflict of interest. And then, syempre, wala na rin naman sila sa American ownership. So, if it's American ang may-ari, for sure, hindi yan sila mag-agree dyan. Oh, hello. Hi, Sir Adam. Watching your vlogs as well. Savarni, Christopher Torano. Adam, kung nandiyan ka pa, ayan daw, may mga fans ka dito.
Mga fans mo, inaagaw namin. We're trying our best.
Shortbread, wala po kaming idea kung bakit. Kung bakit sila naghiwalay.
Ay, sobra naman yung research yan. Ayoko na pakilaman yan.
Wow, what a special day. Adam G is watching you guys. I am flabbergasted. Ako nga nagulat ako eh. Thank you, Adam. Mag-comment ka, Adam. Magtanong ka para at least mahasa ang utak namin sa pageantry. Or sana minsan makapag-guest ka dito sa akin.
Yes,
no?
kaya
Pravinar is only 24. Ay, talaga?
How old?
Pwede pa.
Oh, panalo.
So my next question is, ano pa yung mga sa tingin mo na pwedeng mangyari, and then yung thoughts mo about pagiging national director ni Nawat? What else?
What was going to happen is gagapangin ni
while you were talking, palalabasin ko lang yung mga aso ko, ha? Umiiyak eh.
Oo. Well, chances are, baka mangyayari is gagapangin ni Nawat ang ownership probably ng MU. I don't know how it's going to be. It's going to be a friendly takeover or a very, very violent takeover. So we will see what's going to happen. For now, they need each other, especially Miss Universe needs Nawat to recover from the disaster na nangyari sa Mexico, where everything was, oh my God, I think that is the worst version of the Miss Universe pageant. And it so happens because the two owners don't have any idea. Him being a businessman, Mr. Raul, wala ata siyang, I don't know if he has an entertainment business na pwedeng kahit papano kamukha nung Miss Universe pageant. And of course, si Halu is pasyal lang pasyal, lakad lang lakad, paganda lang na paganda. I am not even sure if she's part of the operations. Baka naman utos ng utos lang, parang CEO, palakad-lakad lang, pasyal-pasyal lang. So she doesn't have any idea how to operate that kind of a business or that kind of a show. So yun ang nangyari. It's like, as I said in one of my blogs, it's like buying a famous restaurant, then you kick off the chef or the baker, then they took over. Akala nila after a few months of seeing how it is operated, kaya nilang magluto. Lo and behold, iba ang nangyari. Iba talaga si Paula Sugart, who handled the situation and the operation of Miss Universe for the longest time. Maganda talaga pag alam ni Paul Sugart kung anong ginagawa niya. And these two, hindi nila alam, they went into a business na hindi nila alam, kaya ayan. So they seek the help, of course, of MGI. So ang nakakatakot naman ngayon knowing Mr. Nawat and how he held businesses with other people and how he also treats other people. Although believe ako sa kanya because he gets what he wants. He knows what he wants. But the methodology on how to achieve those things is the problem. Hindi ano yun? Parang hindi kaiga-igaya. It's not positively done. Pero he achieves what he wants to achieve. Pero may pagka, ano rin devious. I think devious or shrewd is the term. Alam mo na, ako na ang Ilyana ngayon ng mga vloggers. Gumagamit ako ng highfalutin words. Devious or shrewd. Kaya ang isang naapektuhan nga si Ivan, which is an example, no? Ang dami niyang advice, kinundan ni Ivan, tapos yan ang nangyari. So I think he will do heaven or hell para lang siguro baka in the longer term makuha niya yung MU organization, or pag nakuha niya nga talaga makuha niya ang MU organization, maybe there's a thought na maging Miss Grand Universe. Combine the two pageants. Nakakaloka.
You imagine, diba?
That is the being
Wag naman sana, Diyos ko.
By the most vloggers, pero hindi ko alam kung ako yung nauna, pero I think that's what's being used also by other vloggers as well. Yun. Mahirap talaga may hangin.
Shortbread Pag, now what will learn how MUO works for inside and steal the trade secrets and sponsors. Parang ME lang na he stole the national directors for MGI. Yan ang yan yung shady part lang na hindi ko agree sa ginagawang ways ni Papa Nawat, as they call it. On the business side talagang magaling siya, pero to get some people to run the show, ang mga sorry, correction guys, Pravinar is 28. Okay, viewers, thank you po sa inyong pag-hangout dito sa amin. Don't forget to like and subscribe. For those people who hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, naghahabol po ako. Thank you so much. Paki-click po yung like. Yun lang po yung bayad ninyo sa amin. Thank you. Hello, Mizugat. Ayan, may live pa pala. Hello sa'yo, Mizugat Pokiko. Ang franchise fee daw na tinag-price ni Halu kay Nawat is 180 M.
Na bat? In bat? No. For 5 years.
For 5 years, yeah. Kakatapos lang po, maligo at magluto ng pork chops, zucchini na ginisa na pambaon mamaya.
Walang sausage.
Uy, 236 na sa'yo. So, napupuyat ka pala. Diyos ko,
Wala bang sausage dyan?
Hello, Chad. I like pork chops. Okay, good for you. I'll cook pork chops for you when you come back home.
Kamag-anak mo ba yan? Shad Chef? Okay.
Siya yung aking, alam mo na. Hello, Ian Guavano, Canada Live.
Hi.
Vina is about to turn 29, sabi ni Adam.
Patanda ng patanda. Thank you, Sir Adam,
diba?
For the information.
Thank you for 35 viewers. Paki-like po ng ating live. Thank you so much. Minsan kung pwede I'm just gonna ask you if you can na mag-guest dito sa aking live sometimes. Ha? Chika-chika tayo. Let's connect about it. Sino yung Beauty with a Purpose?
Beauty with a Purpose?
Si Dennis. Si Dennis ba? Kasi dalawa lang naman yung gini-guest ko dito, si Dennis lang at saka si Tony, di ba? At saka sa Calgary versus Edmonton, ang Calgary is much more on the prettier side. In any way, kahit mga tao doon, ang dami mga magagandang babae at mga gwapo. Goy, dito,
hindi na ako pupunta dyan.
Sa Calgary,
diretso na ako sa Calgary. Hindi pa ako nakapunta dyan. Pupunta nga ako dyan.
Oo, sige, punta ka. Let me know. Yes, Tony and Andy, it's summer here and nude beaches are kicking. Mardi Gras March 1, biggest LGBT parade party will kick in. Ay, paray!
Dapat naka-prep kayo,
Oo. Kahit papaano.
Mizugat,
Yes,
nandito pala si
Mizuga.
Sir Adam. Yes, hello. Oh my God.
O ayan, mag-react ka sa tinatanong ni sa sinasabi ni
Parang hindi
Mizugat.
maganda pangitain. Ay, naku, feel ko na. May vlog nga ako niyan eh, kung ano mangyayari. Yung
Diba?
fourth option ko, lahat sila madededo, pati ang Miss Universe matadami sa away nila. Yan yung fourth option. Yung fifth option ko is, it will be beneficial for everybody, so we will see. Hopefully, maging beneficial for everybody. And ang pinakahuli-huli niyan, it will be renamed Miss Grand Universe. So, para pinamumukha talaga ni Nawat na, na-take over na talaga ng Grand ang Universe. Miss Grand Universe.
Diba?
And I want it.
Nakakaloka, no?
May ganun siyang, parang pelikula ito. Revenge
Alam
and
mo, sa totoo lang,
betrayal.
sana naman mali lahat ng mga speculations natin in terms of,
I don't think so. I think yung mga speculations natin magkakatotoo, knowing their history and how they decide on their business, ganun talaga mangyayari.
kasi,
Yung mga
kasi may
panel
basihan
nila,
tayo eh.
may mga
Kasi
panel
may
sa
basihan tayo eh, di ba? Sa MGI itself, yung, di ba, halimbawa, national director ka ng, halimbawa, LA, representing LA, at pag nanalo yung representative mo, tataas ang ang franchise fee mo ng 40%. Would you imagine that?
Yes, make it times 3. Pero next year, babalik ulit sa original price. So, yun ang kanilang cut.
Okay. Pero hindi. Yun namang girl, magiging, magiging, ang pinaka-home base na niya is MGI International na hindi na yung local pageant mo. Hindi na sa'yo.
Hindi rin kasi uuwi rin siya eh. She will only stay for 2 months sa MGI. Tinan mo, umuwi na yung
it's not, yeah,
So the rest,
it made sense.
so
Yeah.
the rest of the year, 2 months siya, mag-i-steady lang siya sa MGI officially. Then the rest is doon na siya sa Los Angeles. Kaya,
Okay.
so kung lumibot na siya, umikot siya, nag-endorse siya, advertisement, promotion, instead of me, yung MGI asking for tingi-tingi, inaano na namin because we know na as an MGI queen, marami siyang mapupuntahan locally and internationally.
Nakakaloka.
Ganun nangyari sa akin eh, nung nanalo.
Ay, ganun ba? Now we know, guys.
Kaya alam ko ang sagot. Ang galing, di ba? Alam ko.
Oo. Let me react onto that also. Hindi naman react in a way na kung paano siya kumita, And at the same time, and how would you use that money na kinita mo just to present the girls, unang-una, sa press presentation? It's very, masasabi ko lang maganda yung stage. Yes, maganda yung stage. Pero hindi siya ganun kagarbo. Anong ginawa nila? Pinalabas nila yung mga girls ng by fives. Nasabay-sabay na ganun. I am sorry, but I have to be acting like a fan here. Kasi di ba lumabas na ang Thailand, ng MUT, ng press presentation. And look what they did, for God's sakes. Pinapakita nila kung ano na yung pwede lang ipakita during the prelims ng Miss Universe itself na gagawin sa Thailand. Ang ganda-ganda ng stage, ang laki-laki, di ba?
Meron pa bang pointers that we have to discuss o tapos na ba? Nasa ka na ba?
Pretty much wala na.
Okay.
Na-discuss naman natin. We just interacting and engaging dito sa ating mga viewers. And then other than that, yun lang naman yung title ng aking thumbnail, kung ano yung thoughts natin, di ba? Kung ano yung pwedeng mangyari with
Ilan na bang likes
mo dyan?
Ilan na bang likes? Hindi ko mabasa ang likes mo
Ay,
sa akin.
Teka, I'll check ha guys. Mag-like naman kayo. Di ba? Nasa 38 tayong nanonood and we are only on 18, 19. Oy, pakiclick naman po yung like please para mapapansin ako sa mundo ng ng YouTube. How about Sir Andy? Tony Ronstadt and Gaisel collab.
Nako.
At saka ang oras ni Ronstadt is like 14 hours ahead or 15 hours ahead. Gantong oras siya.
Gaisel maaga, maganda. Bagay sa atin kasi siya, alas 3, alas 4, LA time, bukas na siya.
Oo,
so,
madali
sa kanya. Madali sa kanya.
And then hopefully, ma-invite ko din si Adam.
Ay, sikat ka na talaga. Hindi na kita ma-reach.
Ay, Chusera ka naman masyado.
Nag-invite ka na talaga.
So ayan mga kaibigan, 1 hour and a half na tayo. Siguro hanggang dito na lang. And thank you so much sa inyong pag-hangout sa akin. Sa ating 34 viewers as of now. And hopefully, you will continue supporting us, me and Sir Tony Lemon. Diba? Si Tony okay na yan in a way, pero still support pa rin siya. Ayan, inasiba
Ay,
na ang mukha.
ano yun? Okay na ba? Hindi pa, no? 1,500 nga halaga ko. Ano ba namang ilalaban ko
at
kay
least na-meet
Parade
mo
of
na yung
Beauty?
criteria.
67,000.
Na-meet mo na yung
67,000.
criteria. Ako hindi pa, di ba?
Coming soon.
600 na po ako, so sana maano. And by this time, gagawan ng mga videos, even though it's on a short. Oy, panoorin niyo yung short video ko, ha? Naglagay ako ng aking top 15. Hopefully magustuhan nyo. Pakiclick din po yung like if ever, or comment din po kayo kasi may mga top topay ninyo dyan, mga toppers nyo, di ba? And then siguro gagawa uli ako ng isang live pa with regards sa ano ba? Ay, ayoko na kasi maglagay tungkol sa press conference eh. Medyo hindi naman ako na-excite in a way. Di ba? What do you think, Tony?
Regarding
the press conference, press presentation.
Tapos na yan. That's it. Wala namang
Wala namang
Hindi naman naglakad yung girls, hindi naman nagsalita mag-isa sa harap.
Odi, I hope to see you. Ay, papunta si Odi, oh. Sige, magkita tayo, Odi, pa nagpunta din kami, ha? May sugat, matulog ka na, please, para at least may energy ka for tomorrow. Nahihiya naman ako sa'yo. Diyos ko, ano ba yan? Baka ako manood. I am not sure yet.
Well, anyway, yeah, tama. If it's the same cost, I'd rather go to Thailand kesa natatakot ako. Baka na naman kung ano naman ipalabas ng MUPH. Pero happy naman ako, nakapanood ako last year. I think that was the best. Thank God na nanood ako at pumunta ako doon.
Correct. Thank you, I am. Thank you for subscribing and liking. Odi Reyes. Fresh looking kayo pareho. Thank you so much, Odi. Chumika ka muna dyan. Umiiyak na naman yung aso ko. Nakakainis.
Di na. Sige, we have to go na. Wala namang topic na naman. Okay, ingat kayo, everybody. Mag-ingat-ingat. Kumain ng mahusay. Huwag masyado mag-stress. Alam niyo na. Teka muna, paano ko ba sasagutin to? Wala naman akong power dito. Iniwan naman ako. Ano pa ba? Gumagawa ako ng isang dalawang blog. The first one is how to become my experience as a pageant blogger for a year at kung anong maibibigay ko sa inyo if you intend to be a pageant blogger. Tapos number 2, yung aking anniversary photo album, yung mga nangyari sa akin, people I meet, people na encounter ko, saka yung 4 na friendships na nabuo natin with Voltes 5, kay Parade of Beauty, Doc Sed, Voltes 5, Doc Sed, at kay Gazel, at si RJ, na Diyos ko, bugbog sarado kami nung nagkita-kita kami doon. During that time, talagang inapi-api kami ng mga maraming senior vloggers. Okay, Auntie, halika na. Bye na tayo. Wala ka ng mga
pointers. Sige, thank you uli, ha? Till next time.
Bye, everybody. Bye.
Thank you so much, Tony. Say bye-bye to Tony, everyone.
Bye.
Be kind, ha? Magpakabait ka. Charot. Okay, so ayan na po, ha? Bye-bye and thank you so much for everything sa mga tumambay dito sa akin. And as I always say, pag nag-ending po ako, always be kind to yourself and be kind to one another and be grateful, ha? Parati ko magpapasalamat. Kasi meron po akong kaibigan na nag-pass away na siya. And which is okay naman kasi hindi din naman maganda yung condition niya. And I love that girl. So, magpakabait po tayo and maging matulungin tayo for people who needs help. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for everything that you give to me. 32 people, thank you so much. And hopefully we'll see you again next time. Same time, same channel, and same people around here. Diba? Odi, thank you. Let's be happy na lang. Bye, everyone. Ayoko mang umalis, but I need to. Bye!